Hey guys, it's me Amanda, also known as Amateurs, and today we're doing a very small unboxing. There's only 4 items in this box, so we'll be checking them out, doing swatches and all that jazz. I got this from Influenster, so I got it for free to test out the products and do reviews online. And I figured I'll do a video on it as well because it's basically for my channel. Beforehand, let me warn you that I am filming during the day. In the morning, it's the only time I can film. So my roommates are up, so if you hear noises in the background, my apologies. They are running their vacuum, the one that moves on its own. I forgot the name of it. A Roomba? Something like that. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. Now, I do know that there's mascara inside because this shows mascara right here. I think that's their primary product they want to test out. I will probably do a look with these products. So immediately inside we get a card. It says E.L.F or E.L.F, bigger, badder, bossy as E.L.F, intense volume, major lift in length, clean to vegan formula. That's for the mascara. So already inside we get good mood energy. Can't really see it, it says right here. And there's 4 items inside. Now I already have mascara on, so I won't be able to test it today. But we will be doing a look on it probably next Saturday. Because Saturdays are the days I'm going to try filming from now on. Because I'm actually up in the morning to film them. So the E.L.F. Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Mascara. It's Hourglass Brush in black. Well, a lot came out. It smells like regular mascara. So if you were wondering, that's what it smells like. It is vegan. So it's cruelty-free, I believe, also. So that's the mascara. Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum. Lashes are thin. This lash and brow conditioning and enhancing serum is packed with powerful ingredients such as antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamins. This nourishing formula assists in conditioning the lashes and brows to help with thin, brittle, and short hairs. This serum will give you healthier looking lashes and brows in weeks. E.L.F. is known for not giving you too much product though, at least in my experience they don't give you too much product. So I don't know if it's going to last for weeks. It says directions apply to your upper and lower lash line and brow hairs in AM and PM, store in cool, dry place. It doesn't have a smell to it. Now I'm not going to put it on my brows because my brows are pretty full of themselves. I have to tweeze my brows often, so I'm not going to put it on my brows. I'm going to put it on my lashes because, especially these lashes right here, because these are shorter than these lashes. And these need more curling action, but I'm not finding anything that's helping. So that is the serum. Now we get 2 liquid metallic, not 2 liquid metallic, just 1 liquid metallic and 1 glitter eyeshadow. So let's look at the liquid metallic eyeshadow in the color Moon. Get an amped up eye look with this formula packed full of pearl for high shine, reflective, one swipe metallic coverage. Formulated for comfortable wear, this long-lasting opaque liquid eyeshadow delivers high impact, multi-dimensional metallic in a quick drying gel base. Apply to the eyelid with the applicator and blend using your fingertips or a flat eyeshadow brush. Wear alone or layer with eyeshadow to amplify your. I wonder how easy this is going to be able to blend. I mean, I'm blending with my fingers. It kind of loses a little bit of color when I blend with my fingers because the color goes onto my finger instead. So you can't really see it that much anymore. The E.L.F. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Purple Rain. Get an amped up eye look with 1 swipe glitter coverage. Formulated for comfortable wear and minimal fallout. This long-lasting opaque liquid eyeshadow delivers high impact, multi-dimensional glitter and pearls in a quick drying gel base. You also use your fingers or a flat eyeshadow brush to blend this out. Now this purple might look good over another purple. So put an eyeshadow purple down beforehand and then place this on top because this is kind of see-through. It comes off when you blend it with your finger. Just giving you the honest truth. So it's barely there now. So be careful when blending it out, I guess. Try to use a brush. I don't know how it is with a brush instead, but I'm just trying to be as honest as possible with you guys because you guys know I'm a very honest, blunt person. So that is all the products. Told you it was only like 4 items. and we tested the products, and I don't know if I like it, but we'll see about the mascara and the serum next. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.